I am Connor with Bigfoot Roofing. We're here at Nichols' house doing a repair test. We have the GAF HDZ Timberline Weatherwood for their suggested color match. So let's get this open and we'll see what we can't do. As you can see, the gutter is through the drip edge. We have where we pulled it for ITEL, so we will do it right near that one. Okay. So we're going to pull this shingle here. So we're going to need to do the two above that. Okay, got the first one up. We're going to take out the second one now, peel it up. Just working that in nice and slow so we don't damage any of the other surrounding shingles.